So starting with freshly shampooed hair, I'm going to go in and put a little bit of leave-in to hydrate my hair. Make sure I coat everything. And what I'm using right now is Elements from Wella's leave-in conditioning spray. I love it. It smells amazing. I use a few different products. Yes, you're going to hear the baby in the background. How lovely is that? She is doing a ton of new things now. She's walking, she's trying to talk. She hums songs. She dances, has a whole little personality. Okay, so there are a few ways to go about a twist out. The way that I'm going to be showing you today is, I believe, to me, the most simplest one to do, and it's a 2-strand twist. This is going to be for you ladies who do not know how to braid or flat twist to the scalp. So this is going to be an easy one for you. So I'm going to go in with my Influence wrapping lotion. It's Honey Almond Foam. It's one of my favorite ones. I'm going to be generous. A little bit goes along with this, but I'm going to be generous with this. So before you get started, make sure you towel dry your hair, like blot it so it's not soaking wet. We don't want soaking wet hair. And since this is a video for quarantine times, I'm not going to sit under the dryer because most of you guys out there do not have a standalone dryer to just sit up underneath. So I'm going to go on throughout my day with my twist. And also these 2-strand twists, this is a 2-in-1 style. You don't have to just wait for it to dry and take it out. You can wear it for a few days, maybe even a week, depending on your hair. If your hair is tightly coiled, I would not suggest wearing it more than 2 weeks because your hair is prone to start locking sooner than a looser texture. So we're gonna get the foam all the way out throughout the hair. And you can do these twists as small and as big as you want them. If you're planning on leaving them in for a style, just to leave it in, you can do neat parts. However, I know since I'm going to be taking these out, I'm not going to do neat parts. Therefore, I won't have like particular exact parts in my hair whenever I take it out. So I'm just going to do like a little zigzag. It's not too straight, not too straight. 1, 2. Take 2 strands. We'll split my party in half. And I twist to the right. So whatever you, get that out of my face. So whatever feels comfortable to you, I twist to the right because I'm right-handed. However, I will twist to the left if I need to. Okay, we are back. Had to pause for a second. So I'm gonna twist all the way to the end, to the end, to the end, to the end, to the end. We're gonna take another little section of hair. Get closer to you guys. Now I'm twisting to the left. It's whatever feels comfortable to you. Okay. Whatever feels comfortable to you. Wrap it around, wrap it around.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's open. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN.
Fast forward to about 4-5 hours later, and we are pretty much dry. Zoe in the back. So now we're going to go through with our Silk Essentials, And it's a finisher. It's a finisher. You can put it on before you blow dry for like presses. It makes your hair shiny and soft. Has a little slip to it, so you can use a finishing agent like this with some slip and some shine, or you can use oil to take down your twist. So I'm gonna put it on. For me, I like to start at the top and like to twist around, right? The opposite direction. And here's one. We can go through, go around like that, finger through, separate. And you keep doing the same thing throughout the hair.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take the high road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open.
So here we are with our twist out. Let's turn around to this side. You see how shiny it is, fluffy it is, bouncy it is. And for it to last a few days, you can put your hair up in a pineapple, which is a really loose high ponytail, like so. And then in the morning, let it down, fluff it back out. And if you need some oil to take down the frizz, go ahead and apply a little bit on your hands and go through. And bow, you're done, baby.